Following on from the last video where we looked at starting to make modifications, we can then come up with different possibilities for our design by modifying these individual parts. Let's look at modifying a model. Remember, we have sketches, which are our two-dimensional drawings, and we have models, which are three-dimensional. If I want to do something like radius this corner, then I can do that just in its model format. So the first thing I'm going to do is press F for something that's called a fillet, and I'm going to select that corner, and it's going to ask me what radius I want to put on there. Let's say 20 for argument's sake, and rather than having a sharp hard corner, that's going to give me a nice radius on there. Obviously, it would look a little bit strange if you only did one, so you're going to want to do the remaining three corners, and you can actually do more than one at a time. So if I press F, I can select one. When we're modifying a model, we can keep selecting things without needing to press and hold the Shift key. When we're working on a sketch, we do need to press the Shift key. So if I set those all to 20, and there you go, straight away I've got a smooth sort of appearance to the whole thing. Remember what we said just now. Our thumbnail of this drawing that we've got open doesn't update until we click Save, and when we do that, we can see it's even changed on the thumbnail. But our drawing here, this is our thumbnail, and here's our drawing, of course. That hasn't changed because it needs to be updated. Something is out of date. Let's click on it, and it will just change. And so now that's got a nice radius on it. So that's how we can alter parts of an actual model, a 3D part. If we wanted to do something similar on these corners, well, again, we could. You might decide that you don't want that to be a harsh corner, so you could press your F and select that edge, and you might radius those by, I don't know, 5 millimeters or something like that. Again, same thing is going to apply, and we update it by clicking Save. This thumbnail will update. And when we come on to our drawing and click here, it's now telling us that the brace is out of date. So let's click to fix that. And if we flip over and have a look at the bottom of our brace, sure enough, you can see there's now a nice smooth radius on there with a bit of reflection as it's here. Now, whether I'd recommend you actually doing that in practical terms on your work, it would be nice. It would be quite difficult to do by hand, but we could do it with a machine probably quite effectively. Anyhow, that's getting slightly away from the point. The main thing is that we can adjust our drawing in model form, but we can also adjust it in sketch form, and that's what I'm going to show you in the next brief video.